In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add location Smartsheets in Google Sheets. So here I have the address of the Honolulu airport where I want to go and I want to share it with someone. So I looked for it in Google Maps and here I have the URL. So I'm just going to select it and copy it, Control C. I'm going to bring it to my spreadsheet and I'm going to copy it, Control V. And immediately I get the option to use Tab to replace it with a Smartsheet. So I'm going to use Tab. And there you go, it's replaced. So anybody can come here and get the link, but it looks much better. Another way I can do it is Control V. And let's say I don't have the option there to tab anymore. You can just here hover over and you have the option to add cheap. And again, it's a much better, cleaner look than a huge URL that nobody can read. So when your friends come here, they just hover over and they can see the address or they can click and go back to Google Maps.